Let's start by requiring the necessary modules. We need async_hooks for tracking the asynchronous operations, and fs, or file system, for writing to the log. We define a debug function that writes the event type and the asynchronous ID to standard output, allowing us to monitor when each event occurs. Next, we create an async hook instance. This object will allow us to define functions that are called during specific asynchronous event lifecycles. The init callback is invoked during the creation of an asynchronous operation. It provides a unique ID for the operation and the type of the async event. The before callback is triggered right before the asynchronous operation starts. This is useful to know when the operation is about to be executed on the event loop. The after callback runs immediately after the asynchronous operation has completed. It signals the end of that operation's execution. The destroy callback is called when the asynchronous operation is cleaned up. This typically happens when the operation is no longer needed and can be garbage collected. Before enabling the hook, we log the current execution asynchronous ID. This represents the context where the async hook is being enabled. Here we have a set immediate which schedules a callback to be executed after the current poll phase of the event loop has completed. Finally, we disable the async hook. It's important to manage the state of hooks properly to avoid keeping async resources active unnecessarily.